it's Heidi Brown here with your Mississauga, Oakville, and Milton real estate market update for February. So when the numbers are in, and when I looked at what's going on in Mississauga, we see a softening in prices. When we look at the average price of homes, now this is of all styles of homes, which is, just a comparative measure that we look at to see, overall what's the big picture in Mississauga. Well, those numbers have dipped a little bit month over month, and of course year over year, just at about the $900,000 mark, with a reasonable amount of time to taking them to sell, about 45 days on market. So those that are looking the best and priced right are selling. And there is still some shifting in the prices. But however, there wasn't a lot of activity as compared to the previous year. So, you have to take some of these numbers and look at a bigger picture and drill down by neighborhood. So contact me if that's what you're interested in. Now, when we hop over to Oakville, we look at what was going on as far as year over year comparison for detached homes. Big hit as far as year over year price. But remember, last year was definitely a unique year. We're at about 1.7 million mark for the average price of a detached home in Oakville, down about 30% year over year. Towns, not as much of a sort of swing in pricings. You can pick up a townhome in the Oakville area right around now for the $1 million mark, which is down about 10% this time last year. So then when we look at Milton, detached homes did not have as big of a shift in pricing, down about 11% to the $1.3 million mark. And you can look at Milton Towns for around $800,000, which were down about 24% year over year. So right now we're starting to see the spring market coming on board with more inventory and some more activity. We're shifting to definitely a balanced market. Some areas are still in the seller's market. Some are shifting to the buyer's market. Each region and each area, each neighborhood even has its own story to tell. So happy to drill that down for you if you're interested. And there was another interest rate increase that was done this year with more announcements to come. However, there's been hinting that there might be sort of some holding pattern on interest rates to see what impact for the markets and inflation is there. So not the hint of lots more increases as of yet. That can change, but as of now, it's looking like things might be sort of on a holding pattern for now. So looking ahead, the market is upon us, the spring markets, and that's going to increase activity and types of things. There's even multiple offers on some properties, not a lot of areas, but definitely starting to see some movement. So if you wanted to know what's happening in your area, or you want to talk pricing or strategy, please reach out. Heidi Brown here with Remax Escarpment. I'd be happy to help out. And until next month, if I don't hear you, have a great one.